What's going on, guys? Jake Teaser with the latest Mustang and automotive news. In today's video, we're going to give you the latest update from Ford about the 2021 Ford Bronco. We've got some new photos, and we've got a leaked document actually showing the two-door Bronco with the top off. If you don't know, go over here to their Instagram. It's Ford Bronco. It's just at Ford Bronco on the Instagram. They posted some new photos. And essentially what it says is the 2021 Bronco is not just a Bronco by name. It's a Bronco by design, by DNA. And so it's going over the old photos. 1965, December, they got some old dates. Let's just give you a recap of what's been going on. So if you don't already know, the Bronco is going to get a 6-cylinder engine. If you listen to this video here on their, you can actually hear it sounds, it's a EcoBoost 6-cylinder. It's not going to be only the 4-cylinder. 4-cylinder EcoBoost, the 2.3 that's in the Mustang is going to be an option, it sounds like. But probably the 2.7 or the 3-liter is going to be that engine noise, definitely 6-cylinder. So basically that's our, confirmation that it's going to get a 6-cylinder. Now, the latest photos we have over here are the CGI renderings that they posted of so we got some nice off-road tires, some big fat fender flares, and all this is congruent with what we already know and what we've seen from the sneak peek photos. They also showed the headlights. I'll show you guys the latest photos in just a second. Soon to be seen by the trailheads, mountain summits, and sand dunes. Okay, so we know there's going to be a Sport, there's going to be a 4-door, there's going to be a 2-door. There's probably going to be a few different trims. So let's go over to the forums and check out and see what we got over here, okay? So on the forums, official teaser schedule for the 2021 Ford Bronco leaked. Premiering July 13th. Remember, it was on OJ's birthday. They changed it. They're using this image here. July 6th, Bronco brand moment with additional details on our portfolio. I'm not going to read all this, but it looks like they're going to have, on the 13th of July, they're going to have 3 different 3-minute Bronco ads on ABC, ESPN, and National Geographic Channel. And you can view them on Hulu the next day. That's expensive. Then you'll also be able to reserve on Ford.com on July 13th. It's only $100 down. I'm getting excited about it, guys. Watching it, researching it makes it fun. I've got an old Toyota Sequoia, but 4-wheel drive V8, but a Bronco with this removable top. Wait till you see this. So July 6th, there's going to be more social media stuff. On the 13th, there's going to be more. Okay, so here are the photos. First silhouette picture, that's the one supposed to be posted on July 6th. So this was supposed to be released on July 6th. So as you can see, here's the 2-door. And if you notice, this one has doors. This one does not have doors. And then this one does not have a top. You can see this has a tinted glass. This has tinted glass. This does not have tinted glass. Okay, guys, so these are just the first photos. And basically, someone else has taken these and kind of lightened them up. So you can see a little bit more detail in the photos. And if we scroll down, someone's really lightened them up. Of course, they're all distorted because they've lightened them up so much. But essentially, this looks like it's going to be a removable hard top. And probably the doors will be able to be removed as well. The only thing that concerns me is like the 2-door doesn't have this big off-road trim tire. And hopefully they'll offer that on this 2-door. Symmetry-wise, I think the 4-door looks more, it's boxy with the proportions are a little bit better than the 2-door. But we'll see what it looks like in real life. These big tires, hopefully we'll get a big off-road tire package on the little 2-door as well. But either way, I think 4-doors outsell 2-doors. People are pretty excited about it. We're seeing on the 2-door under the stone some kind of grab handle. So people are just talking about it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're new to the channel, I'm just going to keep posting up what the latest stuff is for the 2021 Ford Bronco, and we'll get back to the Mustang news and the regular stuff as soon as this. But the next week or so, it's just going to be a lot of Bronco information until we get some stuff that is more trending and other people like. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'll keep you updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news. And hit the links below if you want to support the channel. Catch you in the next video.